channel. So today's video is really impromptu, and as you see, I have Marcus here with me today. We went to Trader Joe's today, and on Instagram, if you guys don't follow me, my username is @JustineMarie55. On Instagram, I asked if you guys wanted to see a Trader Joe's haul because I felt very much like getting some holiday treats. So many of you said yes, so that is why we're making a video today. And Marcus and I are going to be taste testing everything. I'm going to taste this first so that Marcus will sit still. So I'm going to taste test everything and let you know what we think of everything. The cool thing about Trader Joe's is I asked an employee what they thought I should try for the holidays, and she gave me a couple of good ideas. And she said if any of the treats are something that I didn't end up liking, that I could bring them back, which that is pretty cool. Anyway, so the first thing we're tasting, these are called, oh boy, chocolate covered Lebkuchen cookies. Are they good? Can I try a bite of one? That's way different than I thought. They're like squishy. They taste kind of like a banana bread cookie. They're really interesting. I like them though because they're not too sweet. It's soft gingerbread with nuts and spices. It's good. We'll probably finish it, but I don't know that I would be on repeat. But if you're German, they're probably like a really good treat. Oh, we have another taste test. Okay, so how about a little teeny taste? Chloe's here just off camera. Okay, Marcus, we need to try the next thing. So next up we have these Scandinavian Tidings soft and chewy gummy candies. And I thought this looked really festive. Oh, and Marcus is definitely feeding Chloe some. She kind of a teensy a little bit. Oh, she likes it. Okay, so this is the next thing. Can I have the cookie? We're gonna try the next thing. Okay, here's a gummy candy for you. Oh, two, okay. Okay, can you put one in Mommy's mouth? Ooh, can Mommy have one? Hey! Let me try this. They're good. Only one though. We have to try more stuff. Those are really good. And they have natural colors like turmeric, black currant, pumpkin, that kind of thing. They're really good. So the next thing we're gonna try is this Greek whole milk yogurt egg. It's eggnog flavored, and Marcus has been wanting to try this. So let's open it up. Give it a try. Oh, you like it? That is good. If you like eggnog. Because Greek yogurt is always just a little bit more tangy. Okay, Coco, just a teeny bite. That is yummy, huh? Okay, just a little bit. We have lots more stuff to try, okay? Okay, so the next thing we're gonna try is actually 4 different kinds of JoJo's, but these are all enrobed in chocolate. So the box is also really pretty. Okay, hold these. So that kind is vanilla ginger. And then this one is chocolate, peanut butter. And then we have dark chocolate and peppermints. Here's the peanut butter. We love peanut butter. Okay, just one bite. We have a lot to taste. Chloe. Okay, just a lick, honey. You're not supposed to have this. Okay, next one. Do you want to take a bite? That one's vanilla ginger. That actually sounds really yummy. What does it taste like? Is it good? It's really subtle, but I like it. I like that one a lot. Next, I know I'm not a peppermint fan. I like it, but I've never really tried it. But we'll see what Marcus thinks if he got my taste buds or his daddy's. It is good. It reminds me of those mints you always get from like Mexican restaurants. Do you like it? Is it good? Oh wait. Oh, this must. Oh, that was the dark chocolate I think we had. This one's with peanut butter. If the camera's moving. It's Chloe doing it. Say hi, Coco! She wants to be in our taste test video too. Okay, so that peanut butter one is so good. The vanilla ginger one is really good too. My mom's tasting it too and she liked that one. So in the store, this was the thing that was highly recommended by the employees. It is a scalloped cracker trio. She said it's only available during the holiday season. And in particular, the red chili crackers, she said, are amazing. Which I'm gonna give Marcus one of the other ones. I think this might be the rosemary. Yeah, this is the rosemary. So he's gonna get a rosemary cracker, and I'm gonna try the red chili because she said it might be a little bit spicy. By the way, those JoJo cookies, that package was so good. Like, I would highly recommend that as a gift or something. It's really amazing. Oh, these have really good flavor, but they do have a little kick towards the end. Next, we're gonna try these sound really interesting. Turkey and stuffing seasoned kettle chips. And Marcus put these on the floor behind me and I actually stepped on them. Okay, here's one for you. Oh, more than one. Wow, that tastes a lot like turkey and stuffing, huh? They taste a lot like there must be like some sort of broth or something. And the seasoning is good though. They're really interesting, but I like them. Mmm. Do you like them? Yeah? They're yummy. Next, we are going to try the soft baked gingerbread oat bars. We have a lot of stuff, by the way. A lot of stuff to try. We are just beginning. They're really cute packaging. I like them a lot. Mmm. They're not very sweet, so it's definitely like a good snack for kids. I like how soft they are. You want to try this? Do you like it? You like the chips, don't you? The chips actually are surprisingly good. So this is their almond nog. I was gonna grab their eggnog, but I actually do like almond nog. I have not had the Trader Joe's brand before though. It says rich and creamy non-dairy almond beverage. So let's taste it. To be honest, it's a very, very mild eggnog taste. I like the silk nog better, the silk eggnog made with almond milk. That's a lot better. Is it good? Do you like it?
Not bad.
It's not bad. The next thing I'm going to try, which I've already brewed, is some tea. Marcus is going to forego this one. It's called the Winter Wake Up Tea, and I love tea so much. So, oh, it just has a little bit of stevia, so I'm going to taste it for the first time. It's good. It definitely has a little bit of mint. Oh, the cinnamon. Okay, it's a spicy black tea blend with sugar, or cinnamon and ginger. And it is really, it makes me think of like, just like really comforting holiday flavors is what it tastes like. So yeah, not my first choice of tea, but I'm definitely going to be enjoying that the rest of the season. It is good. Next on the list is some cereal. Oh, can you give it a hug? Oh. Okay, this is the gingerbread spice granola, and during the fall I like to do everything in seasons. And so I've had the caramel apple granola, and now this is gingerbread spice. What's that big piece? I'll take the big piece. You take a small one. No, this is mine. This is mine. You take a bite? Wow. I don't like it. It tastes like gingerbread. A gingerbread cookie or biscuit type taste in a granola. So it's not my personal favorite. The next thing made me think of Tchaikovsky's Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy, so I had to get it. This is sugar plum jam, and the girl helping me out said that it was amazing. So we're just gonna take a spoonful and try it. If I can get it open. Marcus, what are you doing? Are you silly? Just gonna take enough for me, Marcus. You wanna try some jam? You wanna try some jam? You like it? Like peanut butter and jelly. Good? like that. It's really good.
With you?
Yeah, do you like it?
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay, ooh, you're gonna sit on your cracker. It's nap time. I think someone's getting tired. Okay, this is a little baby panettone. I think I showed you guys the package already. We get panettones every year, but I've never had one from Trader Joe's. It's like a family tradition because my family's from Peru. It's a good one. Have you had panettone? I don't know. It is a good one. It's a little bit more subtle, but it does have that bubblegum taste. Okay. Now we have one more beverage. This is the chocolate peppermint almond beverage. And I'm, again, not a peppermint person, but there's tons of peppermint stuff. So I did get a couple because I know that a lot of people do like it. Also, there's a lot of really fun holiday appetizers right now. Bacon-covered dates filled with goat cheese, which I've made from scratch, but it would be really nice to have just the work taken out if you guys are pressed for time or something. And then there was like brie on croûte and a phyllo pastry covered camembert with cranberry sauce. Everything was so good, so I highly suggest those places. It's really good. I'm not a peppermint person, but I could drink this because it's a very light peppermint. It's an almond drink with cocoa and peppermint flavor. It's really good. Do you want to try it? What are you doing? I think he's getting delirious. Okay, Marcus doesn't want to drink, but I have given approval for that. It's good. So we have a couple more things. This is a hot, for fall they had Pumpkin-O's, which I really liked, and then now they have hot Cocoa-O's, which are really fun. Oh, and like, I'll show you guys. Look, it comes with marshmallows. They're crunchy marshmallows. They're like meringue, they're yummy. Do you like it? Mmm. He likes this. We'll be enjoying this like Christmas morning breakfast. Okay, so this is something fun that I thought because it's for kids. They're cheesy trees. They're just cracked like cheddar crackers, and they're all in packaged like this. And they have a little. Oh, that one was broken. They're good. They're kind of salty in my opinion. Okay, Chloe. They're kind of salty, but they're good. Here's a full tree. It looks like this. They're really salty. Very sharp. They are definitely sharp cheddar too. Oh, okay. I think we're gonna finish like this because Marcus is getting tired because it is nap time. I think we've tried pretty much everything. We do have a couple last things. This is an advent calendar for only 99 cents, which is such a great price. Cool. So on the back it gives you traditions of different countries, how different countries celebrate Christmas, which is kind of fun. Ooh, different countries. So now we need to find number one. We're definitely going to be doing this for Christmas. This is so fun. Oh, here it is in the rooster. Can you say the rooster? What does the rooster say? He says, cock-a-doodle-doo! Yeah, good job. What is in there? Oops. Candy! He's gonna be so crazy on sugar right now. I thought we had a ton of stuff, and it was a ton of stuff. It's like all along my dresser too. Okay, so the last thing is this winter chocolate reindeer sled kit, which if it's not too hard, we're gonna put it together right now. And it was only $1.99. Ooh, there's like cutouts. Marcus is gonna love that. Here. So these are all the chocolate pieces, and we're just gonna really quick put it together. Just a fun little activity for the kids if they don't eat it first. So just put the trees together like that. Do you want me to put this one together too? Okay, Marcus, let's put it together and not eat it. Did we lose a piece, Marcus? Ah.
Oh.
Oh, he just got chocolate all over my pants. Anyway, so that's the end of our Trader Joe's holiday tasting haul. It was a really fun video to do, and I had a lot of fun having Marcus be part of it. But I'm going to end it now before he eats more. Well, he's already had too much sugar. But yeah, he's had enough for like the next week. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you want to see more videos kind of like this. I hope it just got you guys really excited for the holiday season. I hope you guys are all having a very wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Okay, I'm gonna sit here and you sit right beside me. Cheese! Okay, we need to get you something to sit on. Okay, here. Is that comfy? Cheese! Okay. Okay. How does that look? Show the camera.
Cheese.
Okay, okay. Okay, but right in it a little bit.
Oh, I love it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hold it up like this. Cheese! Okay, did you just burp? Okay, ready? Now say hi everybody.